In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Japanese, no script, in Memrise. First, navigate to the Memrise app on your mobile phone or open the Memrise website in your web browser. To get started, make sure to log in or sign up for your account on Memrise. Memrise is a language learning platform that utilizes spaced repetition, gamification, and user-generated content to help users learn new languages and expand their vocabulary. Your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Japanese like a local. Memrise teaches you Japanese vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. Memrise finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Japanese featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Japanese learning. Now you can start your Japanese learning by hitting the Start Learning button. The Japanese lessons are created by expert linguists to make you learn easier. Memrise has some reviews shown on its website, making users comfortable to know about the platform. It offers two plans. One is a free plan and the other is a pro plan. The flashcard-based approach can become repetitive and may not engage learners who prefer more varied teaching methods. Although Memrise offers many popular languages, it may lack resources for less commonly taught languages or dialects. Some users find the interface less intuitive compared to other language learning apps, which can affect the overall user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.